Hello guys, I am Meghna Priya and you are watching Gossipfunda. In this video, we are going to discuss how to make live wallpapers. So without delaying much, let's start the video. First of all, you need to select an image that you want to use in your live wallpaper. For that, download it from the Google. And after downloading the image, you need to install an application named storyz from Play Store. So go to Play Store and type storyz. After installing the application, open it and you can see the similar kind of UI as you can see on your screen. You have gotten 4 tools over here. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to use ripple tool. So click on plus icon, choose ripple tool and select the image that you want to use. After selecting the image, choose the canvas size that you prefer and click on check button. You can see an eye icon over here which can show you the tutorials for all the tools. Now after all the options, first I'll show you the animate option. You have got so many tools over here, but I'll show you the motion tool at first. This tool is used to create the path around which you want your image to move. So if you create the path and then click on play button, the whole image starts moving. But this is not the case we want. So click on the pin icon and you can pin down the areas that you do not want to move. So create a border around them and then click on play button. As you can see, the specific part of the images move. Now using the erase tool, you can recreate the borders or the path. Once you are done making your live wallpaper, play it. If you see it perfect, then you can export it by clicking on the export icon at the top. Choose the resolution and duration of the video and click on export. After exporting it, you can save the video to your gallery and use it as your live wallpaper. The next tool that I'm going to show you is overlay tool. There are 2 kinds of overlays available in this application. One is for the people who have taken premium and others are for free. So I'm going to show you the free versions. So let's choose the overlay that suits the best this picture. So this one suits the best, so I'm going to use it. After choosing the overlay, click on transform and adjust the overlay according to the image. Once you're done with this, go back to the other options. Now pulse option is for you to make your overlay pinch, bulge or swirl around the image. Other option is the blend, which helps you to choose the filter for your image. Now I'll show you the magic eraser. This eraser is used to remove the part over which you do not want the overlay. And then clicking on magic brush, you can mark the areas over where you want to use overlay. Once you're done with this, play the video. So if you find the wallpaper perfect, you need to export it. But in case you want to change the overlay, all you need to do is go to the replace icon and choose the new overlay that you want to use. And if this is not the case, then you're done with your work. Play the video. You find it perfect. Click on the post icon at the top through which you can post it on the application, or if you want to simply export it, click on the export icon, choose the resolution and the application will generate the video for you. Once the generation of video is done, you can save it to the gallery and use it as your live wallpaper. I hope you found the video helpful. To know more about technology stuffs and things, do visit our Gossipfunda blog and start reading. You will get to know more stuffs about web hosting, coding, technology, Android, iPhone, etc. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button, comment down any queries that you have, subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get future notifications. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.